Hello everyone, welcome to Debt Management 101. Pay off credit card debt fast and rebuild your credit score. Tackling credit card debt can feel overwhelming, but with the right strategies, you can turn things around quickly. Today, I'll show you two powerful methods to pay off your credit card debt and practical steps to rebuild your credit score, all without hiring a professional. First up, let's talk about the Debt Snowball method. This strategy focuses on paying off your smallest debts first, regardless of interest rates. Here's how it works. List all your credit card debts from smallest to largest. Make minimum payments on all your debts except the smallest one. Throw every extra penny at the smallest debt until it's gone, then move to the next smallest, and so on. The idea is to build momentum and stay motivated as you see those small balances disappear. Now, the Debt Avalanche method. This approach targets debts with the highest interest rates first. List your debts, but this time, rank them from highest to lowest interest rate. Pay minimums on all your debts, but focus on paying off the highest interest debt first. Once that's done, move to the next highest, and so forth. The Debt Avalanche can save you money on interest over time, making it a smart choice if you're focused on minimizing costs. Alright, now let's fix that credit score. First, always pay your bills on time. Payment history is a major factor in your credit score, so set up reminders or automatic payments to avoid late fees. Next, keep your credit card balances low relative to your credit limit. Aim to use less than 30% of your available credit to boost your score. Another tip is to avoid closing old credit card accounts. The length of your credit history impacts your score, so keep those old accounts open even if you don't use them much. Finally, consider a secured credit card if your score needs a serious boost. These cards require a deposit, but they can help you rebuild credit if used responsibly. Remember, consistency is key. By following these strategies, you'll pay off your credit card debt faster and rebuild your credit score in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on managing your finances. Take care and happy debt-free journey.